Hey everyone, Tesco Mobile Hotspot not working. Don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll show you simple fixes to get your hotspot up and running in no time. Let's dive in. Tesco Mobile Hotspot issues may arise due to incorrect APN settings or network restrictions on your account. Additionally, temporary signal problems or a hotspot setting can also affect hotspot functionality. Check usage. Make sure you have not reached the data limit. Log into your Tesco mobile account using app or website. You can see the balance in the dashboard. Go to balances at the bottom left of the screen. Click on top of data balance to add more data. Select a one-off data bundle based on your needs. Example, 500 MB for pound 3 or 10 GB for pound 17. Complete the purchase and the bundle will be added to your account. Fix 2. Check mobile data. Make sure mobile data is enabled in your source phone. If it is disabled, hotspot may not work on your device. For Android, swiping down from the top of the screen to open the notification shade, tapping the mobile data icon to turn it on or off. For iOS, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap the cellular data icon to quickly toggle it on or off. Fix 3. Try restarting your device. Try restarting both the device and connect again. For iOS restart, press and hold either the volume button and the side button iPhone X and later or the top button iPhone 8 and earlier until the power off slider appears, then drag the slider to turn off the device. After the device turns off, press and hold the side button iPhone X and later or the top button iPhone 8 and earlier until you see the Apple logo to turn it back on. Android restart, press and hold the power button for a few seconds until the power menu appears. Then tap restart or reboot if the phone is unresponsive. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 20 seconds to force a restart. Fix 4. Check hotspot settings. Check your plan included. Have a mobile hotspot enabled on your source phone. If your phone is inactive for a long time, the hotspot might be turned off automatically. On Android, go to settings, then network and internet, go to hotspot and dithering, turn off or on hotspot dithering. On Windows, open settings, go to internet sharing, then turn sharing on. iOS, go to settings, then personal hotspot, turn off or on, allow others to join. Fix 5. Refresh network settings. Turning on or off airplane mode will search and connect with the strong signals in both the device. For iOS, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on or off. For Android, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on or off. Fix 6. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings will refresh and boost the network connections in client phone and turn on hotspot. Then try connecting with the client device. For Android, go to settings, then system, then go to advanced. Reset options, tap reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, confirm the reset. For iOS, go to settings, then general, go to reset, tap reset network settings, enter your passcode if prompted. Fix 7. Verify APN settings. Ensure the access point name is set correctly to tescomobile.liffytelecom.com. This setting is crucial for data connectivity while roaming. For iOS device, go to settings, then cellular, then go to cellular data. Enable LTE at the APN with the following details. APN tescomobile.liffytelecom.com MCC 234, MNC 30 for Ireland or 15 for UK. Leave the remaining section as it is. For Android, go to settings, then internet and connections, then go to mobile networks, access point name, tap 3-dot menu at the right corner, select add, enter the following details. APN tescomobile.liffytelecom.com MCC 234, MNC 30 for Ireland or 15 for UK. Leave the remaining sections as it is. Fix 9. Reconfigure the Wi-Fi connection. There might be issue with the Wi-Fi signal. Reconfiguring the Wi-Fi connection will fix the issue. For Android, go to settings, network and internet, go to Wi-Fi, tap the menu icon next to the hotspot you want to forget. Select forget to remove the saved hotspot network. To reconnect, select the hotspot SSID from the list and enter the password if prompted. Your Android device will connect to the hotspot. For iOS, iPhone or iPad, go to settings, then Wi-Fi, Tap the information icon next to the hotspot you want to forget. Select Forget this network. Confirm you want to forget the network. To reconnect, select the hotspot SSID from the list and enter the passcode if prompted. Your iPhone or iPad will connect to the hotspot. Fix 10 more devices sharing the data. Data will be slow. If you connect more devices to the hotspot, check the number of devices connected to the network and remove unwanted one. For Android, open Settings app, go to Network and Internet, Hotspot and Tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot connected devices, remove extra devices. iPhone on iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, Personal Hotspot, look for the connect to this iPhone or iPad over. This number of connected devices will be shown next to Wi-Fi and USB. Remove the unwanted devices and check again. Fix 11. Contact Tesco Mobile Support. If the tracking number still does not work, reach out to Tesco Mobile Customer Service for assistance. You can call them at 08942 from another mobile or 1903 from your Tesco mobile.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.